We all love soft and glowing lips, right? But with winters around the corner, it's very difficult to maintain those dreamy lips. Dry and chapped lips are a common problem, especially in winters. This is Mini Devan and you're watching HealthSite and India.com. In today's video, I'll share with you how you can take care of your lips and get rid of those dry and chapped lips in no time.
Use a toothbrush. We all brush our teeth every single day in order to take care of our lips, but we often miss out on our lip care. All you need to do is spare yet another minute on your lips. Just exfoliate your lips with your toothbrush. You can even apply some petroleum jelly on the brush for smooth and soft effect. Exfoliate. Take some brown sugar, honey and lemon juice. All you need to do is take some sugar and add a little bit of honey and lemon juice to it. Mix it well and use it as a scrub for your lips. This works as a great exfoliator and will help brightening the color and will also remove excess oil, if any, from your lips. It will also help moisturize your lips as well. Hydrate from inside. One of the primary reasons of dry and chapped lips is dehydration. If your water intake is low, you are bound to experience dry and chapped lips, especially in winters. Therefore, drink as much water as possible. A minimum intake of 8 to 10 glasses a day is a must. Use natural oil. Natural oil like coconut or almond oil are great for your lip care. Even your body needs a moderate amount of healthy fats, so include it in your diet and also use it as a moisturizer. Apply some almond oil on your lips every night before going to bed for best results. Apply lip balm. Lip balms are commonly available in the market and it is no secret that it is one of the most useful products. It will not just protect your lips but will also add some color and shine to it. Apply lip balm every morning or at least thrice a week so that you can get ready to flaunt and pout those healthy lips.
Well, I hope this helps. Follow these hacks regularly and do let me know in the comments below how it turned out for you. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such interesting content. Stay healthy, stay safe.